is up? What is up? Welcome to another video on my channel. As you can tell with the blue seat and the steering wheel that I am in my Civic. Hopefully you guys don't fall because my camera's sitting on the gauge cluster right now. But we are pulling up to my nephew's house to do another light mod onto his truck, and I am just around the block pulling up. It's Friday night. We are here.
Mr. Oh my god.
This guy.
Oh my god.
Alright, so what do we... Ooh, you got some Minute Maid? What are we working with over here? So I guess we're installing this today. I don't even know what you call this.
Third brake light? Right, truck. Oh, dude, my hair, man. Come on, dude.
Damn. How's it feel to have a cart now?
Honestly, it's amazing.
Oh, you put the handle too.
Yeah. And the side tray, because we didn't get it with the
wrong one. Look, you installed it properly, huh? Sheesh.
I'm not right.
You know the rubber thing that we bought? The mat?
Oh, it goes right here?
Yeah, it goes right here.
Shit,
that's why we bought it.
Cool.
And you have like super glue or something, and you just put it on the back. You want to put it right now so we don't scratch it when we put the parts?
Fuck it.
Just put it right now. You have glue?
No, that's why.
Golly.
It look like an auto parts store now. Fuck. You see where I live?
Well, you got an AutoZone right next down the street, but whatever.
True.
Screw it.
Fuck it, man.
Damn, this is nice, man.
You
know what I found out? This is where you put the cord. Right here.
A cord?
I show you. So I guess my nephew Mark got a new exhaust system. I'm gonna get in front of your TikTok video for a second. Oh my gosh. Golly. Golly.
It smells like gas.
Where is it? I don't even see it.
Sick,
Oh,
huh?
there it is.
It's right there. It's over there.
Why is it so far back?
I did a little drop there, that's why.
You didn't have your
No, I wanted it like that. I wanted it short so you don't see it. This is a style.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're not worried about like all the
What?
the smoke and residuals getting on like your shocks and the sub and everything? The diff?
We're good, huh?
Okay.
Fuck.
My bad.
That was no the fucking.
We're installing this. Got a couple wires. Guess we'll figure it out. He's gonna go into his trucker. And then I gotta grab my toolkit for the wiring and stuff. Turn on the light. Let's see how bright this is.
Don't. Yeah.
Golly. So after prying it out, get the bolt and a nut. We like to bust nuts. Alright, so we are now wiring the brake light. I wired each 4 white lights. Has its own wire, so for the pair I wired them together. Red and black, positive, negative. And then the positive is going to the green and white. And then we have the negative going to the black and white. And that's pretty much it. Just the wiring is going to take a while. We're gonna stop by Home Depot because the OEM bolts don't fit onto the brake light that we're trying to install in this truck. So that's where we're going right now. Real quick, what we had to grab. Cause
Snickers with almond.
yeah, the Snickers, and then what else?
And then some. Oh, where's the car?
Over there.
I got some bolts because the OEM ones were too thick or something.
Show on the
like that.
camera so the other people can see when they want to do it.
Yep.
Right there.
They're gonna get grand over.
Bam. There we go. So, you're either gonna need an M5.8 45 millimeter or 70 millimeter because the stock bolt mounting brackets or bolts or whatever is not gonna work. So we got these.
$10.
For $10.
With the Snickers.
Oh, that's not bad to be honest. All right, let's put it on. What are you doing, bro? Well, we basically got it in. We had a
little janky.
little improvising
Okay.
with the
I think I have
bolts.
to take out the headliner. But
Yeah. Somebody doesn't want to take it off.
well,
Well, it's okay, man. You're gonna take it off anyways.
yeah, so are this.
When you do the so it's good for now.
That bitch is on.
See how tight it is?
Right now.
Ooh, it's tight. Yeah, it's sealed too, so you don't have to worry about water getting in.
What about this?
Ooh, that is bright. You hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. You see with the with all three. Ooh, wow. Super bright. Sick, man. Sick. He got a little TikTok filming too. Don't forget the tray
Okay.
at the top and your screwdrivers. I'm gonna replace my battery remote real quick. Just finished installing the light for this guy's, wherever he is, Tacoma. Grab my stuff. I'm about to head out now.
Slap that ass.
Alright, we're gonna go get some food now. Yeah.